Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, today I have for you two temples, and these are the most liked and thus most selling models for us across the globe. It's in two sizes, and the most important thing, this unit is knocked down. Knocked down means folding unit. ये फोल्डिंग यूनिट है और इसको जब हम पैक करते हैं तो इसका पैकेट साइज काफी छोटा बन जाता है एज कंपेयर टू इतना बड़ा मॉडल जो हम यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं. ऑलमोस्ट आई हैव सेंट टू all the major countries this same model in different sizes. In sizes also we have made it in 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet and very high models as well. Right now what we have two models I'm showing you. Let's talk about this one first. This one is 30 inches left to right, depth is 15 inches and height is almost 5.5 feet of this unit. Now this has got a door. Here is the door with the bells and the drawer part. It has got 4 drawers, 5 inches high, a diya tray. The diya tray is 12 inches wide. From here to the platform it's 18 inches. The clear area that you get inside both sides is 27 inches. Front to back you get 12 inches of space, clear space, and the height inside is 32 inches clear height. We have a shelf here that is adjustable, so it can go up and down and you can adjust it as you want. इसे ऊपर नीचे करके जहां भी आप लगाना चाहें वहां लगा के आप इसका पेस्ट टाइट कीजिए and this can be used. The door size, this door size is 30 inches for the unit. Now talking about this one, this is a single drawer unit at the bottom. Again it has a diya tray. The height of the platform from the ground is 12 inches. Rest all same, 30 inches door, the depth is 12 inches clear, height is 32 inches and left to right we are getting 27 inches clear space. The shelf, again adjustable shelf, it can go up and down as per your requirement. The total height of this unit is 5 feet. So 5 feet, 5.5 feet, single drawer, a bigger drawer, full size, and it has got 4 drawers. So this is the size and dimension, and then this has all the bells here. Very nice brass bells with lovely sound here. Now talking about the installation part. See, when we send anything out of India, the most important thing is it should be very easy to install, because getting a carpenter outside India is quite costly. So we make the unit in DIY, easy installation. I'm showing you now how to install this unit. 5 minutes and you will install the unit yourself. All you need is one screwdriver. Let me show you. Now this is the chowki of the same unit, the 4 drawer one, and these are all the parts. And when we send it out, we make this like this in different packets. Now here on the chowki part, you see these slots on both sides. And this garbhagriha goes inside these slots. Fits perfectly. Now here you see two L-shaped angles here, and it has got 2 holes. So we need to tighten 2 screws here and this would be fixed here. Once this is done, the top part, now here the top part you see, it has got slots also on both the sides. Now this goes on the top, 4 bales on all sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the dome part goes right in the middle here. The installation is complete. Now for the door, we'll provide you bells in a separate package. You need to open the package, and these hooks that you see here, these hooks will be pre-installed. We'll install this when we send it. So all you need to do is get it inside out of the packet se nikaliye and hang this. So the bells are installed. Now the shelf part. Here is a shelf that we provide for inside the unit. This is a 10 inches shelf, and you see 4 angles on this. So what we do is, once we install the unit, take this inside the unit and fit it wherever you want. Take it wherever you want, up or down, wherever you want. Take the right size, place it, and tighten the screws. All sides, 4 screws, and the shelf stays there. So this shelf is adjustable and you can put it anywhere you want. Easy installation, would take 5 to 10 minutes to install. The knobs, the hooks, and everything will provide you, and the installation gets complete. The design is in front of you, a very nice design, a compact design, and with doors and without, and with drawer and everything. Whichever model you select, we can send it anywhere you want. If you need any change in size, you're looking for anything like a darker color than this, or we have also made the same unit in white color. That is also listed on the website. And if you want some other color like golden or silver or copper color or some other color, let us know. We can do that for you. That comes at a different cost. Now, talking about the price of this unit, in this video, in the description, you will find the link for this unit. You click on the link, it will take you to the website, and on the website you will find the price along with the sizes. So इस वीडियो के नीचे प्रोडक्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, उस लिंक पे आप क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको इस यूनिट का साइज और प्राइस और डिटेल सब वेबसाइट के थ्रू मिल जाएंगी. Also, you will get one more link on the description that has got the website link, and we have posted more than 100 units on the website with the prices, sizes and design. तो प्राइस, साइज और डिजाइन्स के साथ वेबसाइट पर 100 से ज़्यादा यूनिट हमने लिस्ट की हैं. आप उस पर क्लिक करके आप वेबसाइट पे आ सकते हैं. वेबसाइट है हमारी arsonwoods.com. वहाँ पर आपको सब यूनिट्स के डिज़ाइन और प्राइस मिल जाएंगे. फॉर द टाइम बिंग, दिस इज द यूनिट इंस्टॉलेशन आई हैव शोन यू. If you have any questions, please ask, please call us, and we will be happy to serve you anywhere across the globe. Thank you so much.